Guys, for today's video, we are going to cook this ginataang tilapia with pechay. Yeah. So, here's our ingredients. Lemongrass, garlic, onion, ginger, and the coconut milk. We also have our black pepper and ang ating panlasa na kulay dilaw. Shout out sa iyo. So, to begin with, let's on the fire. Yan, heat up lang natin yung ating wok and maglagay na tayo ng ating konting mantika, people. Just like that. Pasensya na guys. Madilim po dito sa ating lutuan. So, yeah, heat lang natin yan. Spread out lang natin itong ating cooking oil. And it's good to go. Put our ginger. Actually, kahit saan po ang mauna dyan, okay lang yan. Walang problema. Uy, sobrang lakas ng apoy. Oops, sinaan natin. And then, garlic, sorry. Sorry guys, shaky yung ating kamay. Tip ko lang ang aking cooking oil. Then, we can add our onion. Madilim talaga siya guys, sorry. Sarang natin siya na ganyan hanggang sa mag-brown ng bahagya yung ating sibuyas. Sobrang laki nitong nabili nating tilapia guys, na fry ko na yan siya. Lakas, it's so windy here. You know why it's so dark here? Kasi po, natatakpan ng ating bubong yung ating ilaw. Ang weird, diba? Natatakpan yung bubong. Now we can add some patis. Where is my patis? Wait, guys. Alright, yan na siya guys, ang ating patis. Again, I'm using Thai patis. Not too much, pero mukhang naparami naman. May patis. Sana di magalit yung ating neighbor, diba? And it's time to put our coconut milk. Na-check ko na guys, don't worry. Na-check ko na ang ating expiration date. Let me open this. Wait lang. So, yan na, na-open na natin ang ating gata. Let me pour it here. Ooh la la. See that? Pwede na po natin ilagay yung ating ginger. Ay, sorry, lemongrass. Para sabay na siyang bumango while cooking the coconut milk. So, pakuluan lang natin yan siya, guys. Yan siya ay lumapot ng lumapot. Okay. Let me season some. Konti lang kasi baka maalat na ating patis. And paminta. Black pepper. Oopsie. Hindi pa ng paminta si Happy guys, kaya okay na yan. Kuluan lang natin. Sa ating gata, kumukulo na siya. Pero hindi pa yan enough ang kanyang kulo. Hindi ko pa nga actually naaamoy yung lemongrass guys. So, we have to wait for a few minutes. Mga 5 minutes more. Habang hinihintay ni Tilapia ang kanyang turn. Meanwhile, nandito yung ating pechay at ang ating siling pangsigang. How do you call this guys? Pangsigang, siling laba, o whatever. Yan, kumukulo na siya. And I can smell the lemongrass na, guys. But still, hintayin pa natin po konti. Ay, sobrang kulong-kulo niya na. Pwede na tayong maglagay ng konting vinegar. Optional naman po ito. Just in case lang na ayaw nyo mabilis mas mapanis yung inyong ginataan. Pwede tayong maglagay ng konting-konti. As in, wala na nga lumalabas. Sobrang konti lang, guys. And, pag lumapot na ng bonggang-bonggang ganyan, nakikita nyo na yung kanyang consistency, we can add our tilapia. Wala akong food tong, guys. Muna akong i-bash ha. There we go. Tara! And sana, we're supposed to cover it, pero wala tayong pang cover. So yan, simmer lang natin yan siya ng ganyan. Kuluin ulit natin ng few minutes, mga 5 minutes or so. And then we can add our gulay na. Lagyan muna natin yung ibang sili. I'm going to add 3 sili, then yung dalawa later na lang ulit. Alright. Guys, medyo nag-yellow-yellowish na siya, meaning nag-mimix na, humahalo na yung lasa ng fish or ng tilapia sa ating gata. We can now add our pechay. Mas masarap, mas marami, mas masarap. Yung iba, mamaya na lang ulit pagdating ni Habi. And yeah, wait lang natin yan siya, guys, na maluto. And oh my goodness, I can smell the gata, the lemongrass, and all kagaya din ng ano, guys, ng luya, ginger. Okay, I let you update this. Now our veggies is already cooked. Pangit naman yan siya, guys, pag in-overcook mo. So okay na yan siya, ready to serve. Kain na po tayo. Wait na lang natin si asawa, guys. This is so yummers. Try this simple recipe. Very easy. Ginataang tilapia. Yummers with